In a shocking turn of events, a hit-and-run incident occurred early Sunday morning. In downtown Manhattan, a pedestrian was struck by a vehicle at a busy intersection, leaving witnesses horrified. Eyewitnesses reported seeing a dark-colored sedan speeding through a red light before colliding with the unsuspecting pedestrian. The force of the impact sent the victim flying several feet through the air, landing motionless on the pavement. In a heartless act, the driver of the vehicle chose to flee the scene, leaving the victim in critical condition without any aid. Thankfully, several bystanders rushed to the victim's side and called 911 for emergency medical assistance. Paramedics arrived swiftly and transported the victim to the nearest hospital, where they are now fighting for their life. The hit-and-run incident has left the victim with multiple fractures and severe head trauma. Medical staff are working tirelessly to stabilize their condition. The victim's family and friends are devastated and searching for answers in the aftermath of this senseless act. Law enforcement officials have launched a full investigation into the hit-and-run incident. They are scouring the area for any surveillance footage that may help identify the driver and the vehicle involved. While witnesses provided a description of the dark-colored sedan and its license plate number, the driver's identity remains unknown. Police are urging anyone with information about the incident to come forward and assist in the investigation. This hit-and-run incident has sparked outrage and concern within the community, with many calling for stricter penalties for those who choose to flee the scene of an accident. The consequences of such incidents are devastating, not only for the victims, but also for the trust in the justice system and the responsibility drivers should have towards the safety of others on the road. In the wake of this tragedy, the community is rallying together to support the victim and their family. Fundraisers and support networks have been established to help cover the victim's medical expenses and provide emotional support to those affected by the incident. The hope is that justice will be served and the driver responsible will be held accountable for their actions, bringing some sense of closure to everyone impacted by this senseless act of violence. The hit-and-run incident has had a lasting impact on the victim and their family. The victim, a young mother of 3, was simply walking home from work when she was struck by a speeding car. The force of the impact threw her several feet away, causing severe injuries that have left her hospitalized in critical condition. The family is now faced with uncertainty and the difficult process of healing from this traumatic event.